Hello everyone, this is Moni and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to draw this 3D looking artwork using just a pen. So let's grab a pen and start with me. We draw some lines in order to determine the shape of a hole. Then we'll start shading from the darkest area. Just make sure that you hold the pen at 30 to 35 degrees. It shouldn't be the same as when you write. At the end of this video, I'm going to provide you with every detail you may need to perform a nice and professional shape with pen. We draw the strokes in one direction. Just choose the direction you're comfortable with. When you finish the layer and fill the gaps between the strokes, you can start a new layer in different directions. This area needs 20 layers of thin shade to be perfectly dark. this area around the hole, although seems colorless. It needs 7 layers of fine strokes. And as you see, the work is finished and it perfectly looks 3D. Well, let's talk about the key points you need to be careful every time you start shading with pen. First, the best paper is Eschenbach, but Fabiano works either. Second, it's important to place a piece of paper beneath your hand. It protects your artwork getting dirty. This point is essential, don't forget it. 3. We do not hold the pen in a way we hold it when we write something. Hold it about 3 to 4 centimeters from the tip. 4. While we are shading, our wrist should be freezed and our lower arm will move our hand. Our hand will easily slide on the paper. 5. Every several seconds, we should wipe the tip of the pen, otherwise it may cause an ink stain on the paper. 6. Watch the pressure you put by your hand. It should be almost zero. I know it's not easy at the first step, but it would be helpful if you practice with a mechanical pencil with a merged lead. It helps you to control your hand pressure. As you can see, if you put much pressure, the lead will easily break. And we are done. I hope you like this video. If so, please smash the like. It will help others to have a chance to see it either. If you would like to see more tutorial videos of pen drawing, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell so that you won't miss my coming videos. Have a nice time and bye-bye!